We're Team SGUB and we're doing the trauma intervention app. For most of this iteration, we did a lot of UI and graphical improvements. For next iteration, we'll do a lot of code improvements, as we're already done with all the functional requirements for our sponsors.
Okay, so in this iteration, we bring in the better UI, like 2D graph, I'll show you in the demo later. And the filter, we improve the UI as well. The design getting better, so. And we also bring in the iPad version, so you can actually use iPad to see our demo with iPad instead of iPhone on that. Okay, so let me go to the demo. So here we improve this part for the view patient, like for the iPad version as well, so you will scale well. And also the filter function, you can see we improve the UI for the icon. And you can actually see now it's better UI cleaner and for iPad as well. And also you can do the portrait mode, so it works either way, straight or landscape. And every function still works the same. So you can search for the patient, and you can go in time to see the this one, also the more detailed information for better UI improvement for this page as well. And we also include the highlighting for the data record. You can see the record have the lighting. For the green one is the better normal condition, and the red one is below. Because it's simulation data, so the patient is kind of not in good condition. But yeah, normally, if it's better condition, we will change to green like the next part. You see this line for the heart rate will change back to the green one. And we also include the better looking 2D graph. You see the loading, because we use the better like a multi-threading for the set state, because set state actually to loading this data actually takes long time. So it was actually navigate from the first tab to third tab. It takes 3 seconds for loading this data because it's taking like I think 2,000 around. This one is less. On my phone it's like 2,000. I take like 3 seconds. Okay. And I'll let him.
Okay. So basically we have 6 different graphs and chart for. Okay. So we have 6 different charts for this. So at the beginning, our problem is that when we try to load the chart, the data is a lot. The data set is very large, so it takes quite some time for React Native to load everything and then display the whole chart on the screen. It's approximately about 3 seconds for every chart. So, and it's not very responsive because it's 3 seconds for an app, it's not very responsive. So what we did is we load 6 different charts at the same time. Instead of sequentially load first one, then second one, and the third one in order. So we actually load 6 different charts at the same time. It's not multi-threading, but what we did is we actually load the empty chart first, and then each of the chart refresh itself to actually take the data and display. So we have 6 charts loading at the same time, so it's faster. So we don't have to wait for everything to load with 3 seconds anymore.
Okay, and we also improve the max. You can see if the max data maximum and data minimum, so easier to see the patient's the lowest condition and max condition for better view. And it was changing because minimum was like getting 0. I changed that to showing the when the reading comes in. So you see that 0 when there's no reading, it ignore that part. So you actually see the average minimum for the patient. And this part is our UI graph for this new feature. And also for the add patient part, we also redesigned the UI for iPad viewing, so it stretched better. And also the monitor part, also we can still do the same monitor by the time. And also UI for iPad version as well. And basically, we fulfill the sponsor's requirement, and the sponsor actually want to come the final iteration demo. So they actually asked me already to ask like our teams to see if they can come, and they will come next iteration.
Yes, you are more than welcome to invite them. You are more than welcome to invite them. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, and also they say they plan to put this in App Store in the future. So it may be in the App Store because their last app is in App Store. So this one maybe in the future after demo they probably will put on the App Store. And let's see the coverage. So we basically improved our coverage back from last time was 99.36 I think. Because of the reducer, there's one effect demo we forgot to cover. And now we bring it to 100%. It was a tricky one to cover. And now we have 35 tests and 260. And that's pretty much it.